Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable one-handed mode on your iPhone devices. Okay, so as you see, I already have the iPhone in my hand, and all I'm gonna do is just go into the settings tab. As you will see the settings, scroll down a bit to the accessibility section, click on the accessibility tab, and then once you go down a bit, you will see the touch and you will see the reachability. All you need to do is just turn that on, and then when you do the swipe down, you will enable one-handed mode. Excuse me, let me demonstrate. And as you see, you have the one-handed mode enabled. And that's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.